let me show you all camera settings available on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus. So first of all, let's go to the camera. Of course, over here on the left side, we can tap on these dots in order to go to settings. And over here we have our camera settings. We can find the scene optimizer. We have the option to scan documents and texts. And we also have the QR code scanner. These options can be enabled and disabled, and in the case of the document and the text scanner, we can actually enable auto scan option. Besides that, we have automatic HDR, so we can take pictures. If we take the picture with the camera that we have over here on this tablet, we can actually use the HDR in addition to that. And here we can also choose what should happen with the shutter button, so we can use it to take the burst shot or to create GIFs. Besides that, we have the watermark option, and we can also customize the watermark a little bit. So we can, for example, personalize the date and time, and we can change the font and alignment. Then we have the high efficiency pictures, so you can use the HEIF format in order to save pictures in that format. We have the mirror effect for the front camera, which can be easily enabled or disabled. We have the video stabilization. And if we go to advanced video options, we also have the high efficiency videos option, so we can record the videos using the HEVC format, and also we have audio playback option. There is the composition guide, where we can find the grid lines and the leveler. We can choose if you want to use both of them or just one of them. There is the location tags, so if you enable this option, if you take a photo or record a video, these files will contain the information about the location where they were made. And then we have the swipe preview up/down to, and of course we can swipe up or down on the camera preview in order to switch between cameras, but of course we can also use it to open quick controls. In shooting methods, we can find such options as the function of volume buttons, so you can use volume buttons for something different that is listed over here. And we also can use the additional floating shutter button. And we have the palm gesture, so you can show your hand to the front camera in order to automatically take a photo. We're gonna go back. Besides that, we have settings to keep, so you can decide which settings of the camera should remain unchanged as you exit the camera, so that when you return to the camera, these changes will still be there, so the camera won't switch back to some default options. You can also choose the storage location, so if you have the micro SD card inserted into the tablet, then of course you can choose if you want to save on it or on the internal storage. We also have permissions and the reset option, so you can reset camera settings quite easily in here. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.